call the, it can be, they are requiring the making the calls also, they are forwarding the calls also. And what are the nowadays we are using computers also, we are using. How to evolve? It is a small and cheap, and it is a portable, and it is a replaceable. Right. And the integration and also disintegration. There are the two types of mobile computing, user mobility and the device mobility. User mobility, it is the anytime, anywhere, with anyone can read or write email or web browser. It is the and one more one, it is the web browsers also we are using. Device portability, devices can be connected anywhere, anytime, anywhere to the network. Right. These are the user mobility and the two kinds of mobility, user mobility and the device mobility. User mobility, all of you know that user mobility, user can communicate anytime, anywhere, anyone. Okay, through emails, read or write, on web browser we are accessing user mobility. Okay, device portability means on the devices can be connected anywhere, anytime, anywhere in the right. The communication device an exhibit of the following characters. In any device, the communication can exhibit the following characters. The communication, how to it is communicating the uh, with the mobiles. Okay, fixed and wired communications we are exhibiting. It has the following characters. What are the characters here? The devices use the fixed networks. Okay, what are the fixed networks we are using? In the typical desktop computer in an office, it is a fixed network, and mobile and the wired. Today's laptops fall into the category. Okay, laptops from one place to next another place we are moving. Okay, if we are reconnecting the company network also via the telephone network and modems, we are using the mobile and wired. Fixed and wireless. Okay, fixed and wireless. The mode is used to installing the networks. Is a historical building to avoid the damages of installing the wires or buying the selling goods and services, shows the ensure the fast network setup. Mobile and wireless also, it has no cable, restricts the user who can roam between different wireless networks. Today's most of the successful example for this category, GSM with more than 800 million users. What are the applications are there in mobile computing? These are the vehicles. In vehicles also we are using the mobile computing. Okay, today's in cars also already we are compromising some. Okay, but tomorrow's car, nowadays, today's cars we already compromise some, but some tomorrow's cars will compromise many wireless communication systems. Right. What are the personal communications? It is the universal mobile telecommunication, UMTS. Phone might be available offering the voice and data. UMTS, the full form is the universal mobile telecommunication system. It is providing the offering the voice and data connectivity with 384 kilobytes per second. Okay, in remote areas satellite communications can be used. Okay, and also we are using, it is the this picture, it shows the in ambulance also we are using the network. Through the network we are accessing the mobile mobilities and any gadgets, we are accessing the network through these networks. Okay, in like antennas and networks we are accessing the all the in ambulance, in cars also we are accessing. Okay, in personal computers also we are accessing the network. Many number of antennas we are covering the network. Okay, right. Physical device accessibilities. Okay, these are the PDAs. And one more one, it is the in emergencies also, in hospitals also we are using these mobile computing applications, and business also. If you are traveling salesman today, it is required the instant accessing to the company's database also, it is required. At that time, how much of the products it is available, okay, in the company, okay, they don't know. In online, they know the they communicating through mobiles. Pikachu. Okay, it is the figure. Many happen when employees try to communicate off basis. Off basis, how to they are communicating. Okay, off basis they are communicating in this picture. In trains also they are communicating. Okay, in UMTS, Universal Mobile Telecommunication Services also, per second 115 kilobytes also it is providing. In cars also 53 kilobytes per second. GSM, GPRS locations and Bluetooth also in cars it is using. Okay. A many number of in petrol bunk locations. Okay, in buildings also how many bits? 384 kilobits, like this they are utilizing. In the one more application, it is the infotainment and more. Infotainment means information about the where we are locating, up to date the information, appropriate locations we are finding. Okay, and replacement of wired networks. It is like satellite can help the situations. Replacement of wired network from one location to another location. We are changing to home agent to foreign agent locations. The foreign agent can collect all the addresses and details about the user information in the home agent. They can give and help the satellite where they are moving, can help the situations. And again the network it is hand over to where they can move the location, that particular locations they have to hand over in the network. And location dependent services, which locations they are locating. Okay, information services, follow on services, support services and privacy services they are locating. And sensor also one of the application, and embedded controllers also we are another application, and pagers also one of the application, right? These are the applications nowadays we are using.